was doubling over, the load on my shoulders was a weight I carried with me every day, crossing miles of frustrations and rivers of raging, picking up stones I found along the way. I staggered